Hello and welcome to this PresetMaster tutorial. In this tutorial we'll cover the last page or tab within the PresetMaster software, which is called the Live tab. In the previous tutorials we created a project with two Blackmagic design hyperdecks. We set presets for each hyperdeck and we combined these presets in two scenes, one for Rec All and one for Stop Rec All. When we now go to the Live tab, we can see two buttons which represent these scenes. The Rec All button has a red outline and the Stop Rec All button has a blue one. But there's much more we can change on this live page. First, let's move the Stop Rec All button by right mouse clicking on it and select Move. Then we can drag it anywhere we like. We can also rescale it. Now let's put both buttons next to each other. Let's right mouse click again and choose Edit. As you can see, a panel pops up with lots of options. The first thing I like to change is the shape and then make it a perfect circular button by giving it the same values for width and height. So 150 and 150. To align both buttons, I give them the same top position value of 100. We can also change the font, let's say Arial, and the size of the font. Let's set that to 24. Now let's change the same things on the Rec All button. So circular 150, 150, top position 100, font Arial, and here let's set the size to even 36. Done. Now I want to change the background color for the Rec All button to a slightly lighter red as the outline, for example Firebrick, but I'll leave the Stop All button black. But here I'll change the font color to blue. All that is left is changing the background of this live page. Therefore, we go back to the Project tab, click on Browse and select a background of our choice. In Photoshop I created a JPEG file called PresetMaster Basics Background. Let's select that and go back to our live page. We now have a custom-made panel with buttons we can easily use during any production. Finally, on this live page on the right hand side are boxes for all of the devices. By default, they are set to inactive, so your devices don't react to all the presets while you are setting them. As soon as you are done setting everything, you can simply activate them to change their state to active. Let's test it now. When we press the Rec All button, both hyperdecks start recording at the same time, and we can stop them too. Of course, this was a very simple project with only two devices and only a few presets and scenes. In other tutorials, we'll demonstrate more details of all of the devices we can add in PresetMaster and some nice combinations. We hope these basic tutorials have given you a good impression of how to build your project. But for now, thanks for watching.